Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to import data from QuickBooks to Wave. Switching from QuickBooks, well, you're going to need to export your data from QuickBooks first and then import it into Wave in compatible formats. And here's how to do it. Export from QuickBooks, you're going to export key reports data such as chart of accounts, customer list, vendor list, product and services, and transactions, of course, in CSV format. And then just go to reports and click on export to Excel or CSV. Step 2 is to import into Wave. Now, customers and vendors, just go to sales and customer or purchases, and then on the vendors, and then click add manually or via CSV. For product and services, go to sales and products and services, and then click add new or import in bulk. For transactions, you're going to import bank or credit card transactions by simply going to accounting, transactions, and then upload a bank statement. You can also upload the CSV file from QuickBooks. Third, reconcile and recreate invoices. Now, unfortunately, full invoice or bill history cannot be auto-imported. You must recreate essential invoices manually. 4. Consult Wave support or community. For large migrations, Wave recommends working with a Wave Pro advisor or using third-party data migration tools. A quick note, always back up your QuickBooks data before migrating. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.